Mary, hello. So far, nothing's gone on. Nothing's gone on fire yet, so. What's that for? It's a little brush. We're brushing the olive oil around this little baking dish just to get it all oily. I don't know how else to explain that, to be honest. Trick Information says, to be fair, it's a gaming crew where most of them are Welsh. Ah, but that's nice to see at the same time. That's lovely to see. You'll do, in fact, love to see it, you know? Oh, banger. Melly, hello! How are you doing? Come in, come in. Nothing's on fire yet, looks at Dave. Don't forget to give Dave a little pat so that you will be spared. We are going to play Cult of the Lamb next week, I've decided, and it's going to be Cult of Dave. I know how it's going to play out. Cult of Dave. We're going to do it. Right. We have minutes left with the onions. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Dave of the Lamb. Cult of the Dave. Cult of the Dave. Now. Where are loops and how can I be them? I don't know. I don't know. Ink the Red says this stream is straight fire. You know, that's a good point. That's a good point. Fluffy Muffin Face, I'm okay with the Cult of Dave. Sounds trustworthy. I mean, he's an honest bird. I can't assure anything else. Oh yes, I'm gonna turn this down a tiny bit. They are looking, oh, they look perfect. Oh, almost perfect. I'll pop the garlic in 2 minutes now. We'll be away for slates. Kate, where did Dave find you? In the depths of hell. And now he's here forever. And I can't do nothing about that. Just watch Dave feed us though, because a friend of mine last night was starving me in her cult and no bed. That's kind of rough. That's kind of rough. I'll be going into that game like knowing absolutely nothing. Like I've had nothing spoiled for me at all. And I'm quite happy about that, to be honest. It's kind of the way I want it. Turns out I didn't have to go and back now. Oh, welcome back, Tomo. Oh, welcome back to your good self. All right, come on. Hey Google, how long is left on my timer? I have no good sense of time today.
You've got 16 seconds remaining.
Oh. Hey Google, you can cancel the old timer there now, can't you?
All right, consider it cancelled.
All right. Hey Google, set a timer for 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute, and that's starting now.
Oh, the garlic smells so good. Oh, I love the smell of garlic. It's so nice. It's so good. It's delicious. It's nutritious. I love it. I love it. So what we're going to do is once that's done, we're going to spread like the onion garlic mixture here, and then we're going to start arranging all of these. Yes, no, that's right. Where are the courgettes? Oh, they're all the way over here. Courgettes, tomatoes, potato, aubergine. And we're just going to do like little layers all the way around. We're going to try and make it neat. Try. Then once the oven's the right temperature, that's going in. We're bringing the focaccia over. We're going to shape that, throw it on the tin, give that another like 25-ish minutes, and then that's going in. Then that is coming back. This is coming back out, and we need to take the paper off it. We need to put some cheese on it. Now, I only have cheddar, but I think it'll be fine. I couldn't find Gruyere for the life of me, so I'll throw on a bit of cheddar, and then we put it back in for like 20 minutes. And at that point, the focaccia should also be going in, and then we're done. That's all I got. That's the plan. I'm definitely going a little slower than I really wanted to today, but look, we're having a nice time.